In this video, we are going to see that if your Discord screen share is completely black and it doesn't show anything, here's what you can do to fix it quickly. First of all, just open up the Discord application, and here at the bottom you will see this user gear settings icon. Just go ahead and click on that. And if we scroll down, we have different sections. Once we head over to this app settings area, we will see this voice and video option. Just go ahead and click on that. And then on this area, you have the voice tab, you have video, soundboarding and debugging. I'll just go to video. And if we scroll down here, we see this option of use our advanced technology to capture the screen. So make sure that you toggle this off if it is toggled on. So just turn this feature off, and that's all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also mention down in the comments if it works for you, and I will see you in the next one.